Hey guys, this is our ABC123 page 65. All right, so let's look right here. It says, say the name of each picture, circle the correct beginning blend. So not just the first sound, but the blend, the vowel sound that goes after it. All right, so let's look. This is a picture of a sun. All right, so let's look for the blend that says sa. Saw. Saw. Which one says saw for sun? Right, this one. Let's give it a big circle. All right, next we have a picture of milk. 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 All right, so which one says like I? Or I? Good. Circle that blend. All right, next we have a hat. Hat. So let's look and see which one is the ha blend. Or ah. Right. Ha. All right, next we have a lamp. Or or Right, this one for lamp. L-A, la. Next we have a log. A log. Let's read these blends. Egg. Log. Which one would help you to write log? Correct, this one. Next, we're looking for the blend at the beginning of the number 6. Six. All right, so let's look. I or saw. Which one says si for 6? Very good, this one. Now you may flip it over on the back, and I want you to read those blends.